let's practice the words for Jingle Bells and then sing it together. Alright, please repeat after me. Dashing through the snow, dashing through the snow, in a one-horse open sleigh, in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, over the fields we go, laughing all the way, laughing all the way, ha ha ha! Bells on bobtails ring, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing, what fun it is to ride and sing. A sleighing song tonight, a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun, oh, what fun it is to ride, it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! All right, so those are the words for Jingle Bells. Now let's sing it together. Here we go. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Woo! Merry Christmas!